This agent has all the knowledge about our product, our pricing, our integrations, and even our sales objections. And it's using that knowledge to talk to our website visitors 24 hours a day and qualify them for us. And when a visitor asks to actually see something, it doesn't send them a link or tell them to book a call. It actually pulls up an interactive demo of the exact feature inside the conversation and walks them through it like a sales rep sharing their screen. Except this one is talking to every visitor on your site at the same time. And the best part is it took me just 10 minutes to set it up. It's incredibly affordable and I can train it on everything we know, connect our demos to it and set the guardrails so that it never says something we wouldn't. So if you're struggling to close more clients for your SaaS because you are the sales team, or you just simply want an agent that can pre-qualify visitors for you, well, in this video, I'm going to build one of these agents from scratch, step by step, using Supademo's AI demo agent so you can set up one for your own SaaS today. Now, before I show you how to build this, there are 3 things you need to know about this AI demo agent. First, everything this agent knows comes from things you already have. That means your website, your help talks, or your pricing page, and the interactive demos you already recorded. And if you don't have any, don't worry, you can build one in less than 5 minutes using the same tool. So if your product exists and has a website, you have everything the agent needs, whether you're selling a simple tool or something more complicated. Second, it only says what you allow it to say. You set guardrails for the topics it should never touch. You decide exactly how it handles competitor questions, and when it doesn't know an answer, it doesn't make one up. It hands the visitor to a human instead. And third, the agent runs on usage, which is around 50 cents per a qualified demo. So you're paying under $1 for something that used to cost you a 30-minute call. So everything starts in Supademo dashboard. In the sidebar, you will see demo agents. And from there, you will click create. Give the agent a name and specify the goal for the agent. You got 2 options here. Qualify and book a meeting, which steers conversations towards a sales call, or drive self-serve signups, which pushes visitor towards starting a trial on their own. We are going with the qualify and book. Then you'll see a menu of all the context your demo agent needs. You can skip this for now, or you can start uploading content and context such as demos, docs, and any other things. After that, you will specify the links you want to drive people to. That could be a sign up or a calendar link. Now that we are inside, we will see backend of the agent. The first tab on the left is the agent's identity. And this is where you decide what the agent's whole personality and goal will be. We already specified the name and goal, but there's more. We can pick a tone, friendly, neutral, or professional. This one strongly depends on how you sell, but I always recommend to go with friendly option. Then we have the welcome message, which is the first thing visitors see, and suggested questions to get the conversation started. I would highly recommend you to make this specific to your product. You can add high-level questions like, I would like to learn more about Supademo, but also middle of the funnel questions like, what are your main features? We also have quick buttons for people that want to see a demo or talk to the team. I would be thoughtful about these questions because these buttons are doing the work of a good opening line. Next, in the interface tab, we have my favorite part of the setup, because the agent can actually talk. If you turn on voice, your visitors can literally have a spoken conversation with it, and you get 10 different voices to choose from, each with its own personality. You can preview each one before picking. Once we have the basic identity set up in place, we now need to make the agent an expert on our product. To do that, we go to the knowledge base tab. This is where the agent gets all those answers you saw at the beginning of this video. There are 5 types of content you can feed it. The first one is your website. You paste in your URL and Supademo crawls it automatically, your homepage, your pricing page, your docs, and indexes everything so that agent can pull from it. One thing I would recommend here, don't dump your entire website into it. Crawl the specific pages that matter for sales, like pricing, features, and comparisons, because old blog posts can feed it outdated information. Then you connect your interactive demos, which is one of the strongest ways to convert new users. You see, these are the demos the agent pulls up mid-conversation when a visitor wants to see something from your tool. I would highly recommend adding 10 to 15 demos covering your core use cases so that the agent always has something relevant to show no matter what the visitor asks. If you don't have any interactive demos, you can build one in 5 minutes with Supademo. We'll show you exactly how in the video in the description. So go watch that after you finish this one. You can also add videos from YouTube or Loom. Upload documents like PDFs, pricing sheets, and case studies. Add plain text for anything that doesn't live anywhere else, like your FAQs, or the way you usually answer objections on calls. And for every piece of content you add, there's a small feature called hits. You can tell the agent exactly when to use each asset. So for example, on a security document, you would write, show this when someone asks about compliance or data privacy. And now the agent pulls it up exactly the right moment instead of guessing. Once you added everything, you don't have to wonder if it's enough because there's a readiness check built in. You can click it, wait 30 seconds, and it grades your agent against all the questions your prospects are asking. It also shows you exactly what's covered and what's missing. Anything above 80% means your agent is ready to talk to your visitors. So everything it just said came from the content we added 2 minutes ago. But before we let this thing talk to real visitors, we need to set some rules because your agent is going to represent your company completely unsupervised. So in the guardrail section, you can list the topics it should never touch and decide exactly what happens when someone brings up the competitors. You can have it acknowledge them and redirect the conversation or actually compare against them honestly using your own content. There's also custom instructions field where you can get real specific. Things like if someone brings up enterprise security contracts, route them to human, or the exact wording you wanted to use for sensitive pricing questions. Whatever you write here, the agent follows accurately, and when it simply doesn't know something, you decide what it does. It can apologize and ask the visitor to rephrase, redirect them to your support page, or suggest related content it does have. So now we are ready to publish. It just takes one click and the agent goes live. You get a direct link you can send to anyone, which works great as a follow-up after the sales conversations, or you grab the embed code and put it straight on your website, which is what we are doing. The great thing about this AI agent is that while it talks to a lead, it also scores how ready the lead is to buy. Once the conversation ends, you can open your dashboard, see every session filtered by your buying intent with a full recap of what each visitor asked, what they saw, and how interested they actually are. So your sales team can immediately follow up. There's even a section called Knowledge Gap that shows you the questions your agent struggled with. So every week you can see exactly what content to add, and your agent literally gets smarter the more people talk to it. Now, remember that your agent is only as good as the information you give. And the best information you can give your visitors is a taste of your product without having to log in. So if you want to know how to build an interactive demo in 5 minutes that helps you convert better and makes your agent smarter, watch this video next. See you in the next one.